So for the lower back, doing the lumbar spine, what I would recommend, the opening where the two knobs are is larger than this opening. This is a smaller opening for thinner people. If you're a little bit bigger, this is the better opening for you. And to do this, hold right about where these two knobs are, wrap it around your back, so not in the middle, but just slightly outside of middle, and then bring this around the tummy in the front. And then when you sit and lean into the chair or on a couch, sometimes this is already enough pressure just leaning into it normally. And then if you find a spot that is tender and it refers, for example, down towards your bum or upwards, you would hold that for 20 seconds. And if it feels like you need to push harder, don't push harder. Just rock this thing outward like that, and you will actually create more pressure in the back. And then you can still stay leaning into it for 20 seconds. And after that 20 seconds, you would lower this a little bit in the back by about 1/2 centimeter. Again, leaning into it. If it feels like it's enough pressure, stay there for 20 seconds. If it feels like you need more, you would just push this forward on this side here. Again, remembering to sort of support it right where the two knobs are, and then leaning into it. And after 20 seconds, you would lower it another 1/2 centimeter and then lean into it again. And the goal with this is to see if it's both tender, but if it starts to emanate down towards the hip and the bum, because then you know that this spot is related to your back pain. And then you could go all the way down to just above the hip. And then if you needed to do the other side, you would do the same thing. Start it just off to the left of center, bring it across your body and then lean into it. Again, 20 seconds. And then here I can literally let it just be like that. And I would support it. If I need more, I would be able to rock it like that for more pressure in my back. And then again, after 20 seconds, you would lower the 1/2 centimeter and then lean into it and push. And that's how you would do the lumbar spine or the lower back.